I call the meeting to order. What would you guys like to complain about?
There should be no school uniforms.
Because the following reasons. There should not be school uniforms because kids need to express themselves with their own clothes. There
And
should be school
boring.
uniforms because it will reduce bullying for their clothes.
Okay. Now, I'll have my trusty assistant explain why they're good and why they're bad. Why they are good.
Okay, ow.
Uniforms are good because
Uniforms are good because they reduce bullying. So when popular kids tease other people nowadays, when you're wearing your own personalized old bedazzle yay cows, then you don't have bullying. I mean, you have bullying because they're saying, oh my god, that's just too white, it's too weird, oh my god. No one has daisies. Who wears daisy anywhere? So yeah. And so, like, if you wear uniforms and everybody's wearing the same exact thing, so there's no teasing.
I agree.
I object.
I don't
agree. I don't care.
No,
I don't care
why
either.
uniforms are bad. Please go, trusty assistant.
Out. They're bad because you cannot express yourself. Blah, 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 blah. Go.
and kids will leave your school because they don't like uniforms. So you lose students of your school.
In conclusion,
And we will discuss this next discussion to be continued.